Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. The news report turned out to be genuine, not dash. The correct option is A. Fake. Question 2. The meeting was brief, not dash. The correct option is D. Long. Question 3. The road was safe, not dash. The correct option is C. Dangerous. Question 4. The company enjoyed success, not dash. The correct option is B. Failure. Question 5. The sky looked clear, not dash. The correct option is A. Cloudy. Question 6. His explanation was honest, not dash. The correct option is D. Deceptive. Question 7. The hotel room was spacious, not dash. The correct option is C. Cramped. Question 8. The new bridge is strong, not dash. The correct option is B. Weak. Question 9. The task was easy, not dash. The correct option is A. Difficult. Question 10. The lecture was interesting, not dash. The correct option is D. Boring. Question 11. The weather was pleasant, not dash. The correct option is C. Unpleasant. Question 12. The teacher praised his polite behavior, not his dash attitude. The correct option is B. Rude. Question 13. The government promised peace, not dash. The correct option is A. War. Question 14. The worker was efficient, not dash. The correct option is D. Inefficient. Question 15. The man was wealthy, not dash. That's right. The correct option is C. Poor. Question 16. The teacher accepted the correct answer, not the dash one. The correct option is B. Wrong. Question 17. The politician's promise was true, not dash. The correct option is A. False. Question 18. The restaurant looked clean, not dash. The correct option is D. Dirty. Question 19. The patient felt strong, not dash. The correct option is C. Weak. Question 20. The movie was realistic, not dash. The correct option is B. Unrealistic. Question 21. The area remained silent, not dash. The correct option is A. Noisy. Question 22. The price of gold is high, not dash. The correct option is D. Low. Question 23. His decision was wise, not dash. The correct option is C. Foolish. Question 24. The teacher was strict, not dash. The correct option is B. Lenient. Question 25. The room became bright before it was dash. The correct option is A. Dark. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.